Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and for today's unboxing video we've got a package that just came in from St. Martin, and I spoke to my good friend Glenn from St. Martin, and we talked about reviewing one of their latest models. So of course he was very happy to send me one of the latest St. Martin Pilot watches. So let's see what we've got inside this package here from DHL. Okay, yet more bubble wrap here. And this is what we've got here. Ta-da! Alright, so this is one of the latest models from St. Martin. Even the bracelet here is just hot off the press if that's the way to put it. So I think this is the new vintage pilot kind of design. So when this watch came out about 2 months back, I think they only had the leather strap version. So I spoke to Glenn, and we talked about this, and he revealed that there will be a bracelet version coming up soon. So I waited patiently for the bracelet version to be sent to me, and here it is now. Thank you very much, Glenn, for being so generous and so kind in sending me all these review watches. So first thoughts after holding on to the watch for a while, I think the watch is pretty light. See what else we got inside the packaging. So to be honest, I'm quite surprised why Glenn didn't send the newest, the latest St. Martin packaging. I think they've got a packaging that looks like a cylindrical box or something like that. So this one here is the very basic plain Jane type. I think this box costs about $4 if you buy it from AliExpress, so without the sticker here. Oh, they've also included strap change tools or bracelet sizing tools, so very nice touch from St. Martin. And now with all the packaging out of the way, I've zoomed in the lens just a bit as well. Let's take a closer look at the watch here. This is a St. Martin new model. I'm not too sure of the reference, and must tell you I really like this one. Okay, so at first look, I think even through this protective layer film, I think you can actually see that there's a really nice textured grainy dial going on here. So okay, I do have permission to do this, so let me just remove this protective layer or film here. So you can see now this dial here really looks good, like a stone grainy kind of look to it, and even the numerals here, they look really nice. Not so sure about the half-eaten 6 o'clock marker here, but overall I think this one is a winner to me. So this one here houses a Quartz movement. I was told that it is a Ronda movement, so Swiss movement 6004, I think the caliber number. So it's a non-date small seconds 3-hander here, and I really like this design here, very classy. And this is also a screw down crown, and water resistance should be about 100 meters. We've got a plain case back, screw down case back, and overall this one here just looks fantastic. So let me just squeeze in a very quick wrist shot. Wow, okay, this should be about 38 or 37 millimeters case size, so it looks fantastic here. I'm really liking it. So wow, everything feels really good. So clasp here feels very well made. Wow, I think they've really upgraded or improved their workmanship here, St. Martin. These guys are putting out some really good stuff here. And as you all know, I love all brush finishing, so this one here really fits the bill. All brush finishing, brush case sides, brush bezel, brush everything, brush bracelet, brush dial. Okay, brush case back. Wow, I'm really liking this one. So let's do a quick check on the hand setting. So unscrewing and get 2 pops. I think you get 2 pops. Alright, so there are 2 pops. So this being a 3-hander, I wonder why there are 2 pops. Okay, so because there's no date complication here. Alright, not too sure why, so let's just do a quick hand alignment check. So 3 o'clock seems okay, 4 o'clock, nice. Let's quickly go on to 12 o'clock, see if it lines up nicely. Okay, so everything seems nicely aligned and all that, so very impressed with what I'm seeing here. So alright, so this could be a date complication going on as well, because there are 2 pops, so might need to read up on this movement here. So the screwing in, it's okay, it's pretty good. Really nice size crown here, fantastic. And we've also got really nice features like solid end links, solid clasp, solid scissor. Just take a look at the CNC work here, really nice upturn here, and I think this one here gives a better fit, unlike the older versions where you get sort of a bulky clasp. So I think this notch here sort of makes the clasp sit a little bit lower. Alright, so all in all, I think this is just a great model that's coming out from St. Martin right now. I'm also liking this cursive font logo. One more time, let's just do a really quick reshot here, and okay, I'm telling you, this one here, you know, might just be my new favorite Quartz watch. Alright, so stay tuned for the full review that's coming out in a few weeks. Alright, I'm gonna see you soon. This is the Watch Kaki. Bye bye.